Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show the best way or strategy for your warehouse operations. How you can create your warehouse and sublocations in a strategically way so that whenever you get any purchase order and any delivery order, what Odoo can do best in terms of strategizing the locations configuration. So inside our inventory, we have to enable multi-step route and multi-location settings. Once it is enabled, we can go to location setup. Here what I have done, I have created sub-locations. The name are, relevantly, I have started purposefully with A, B, C, D kind of thing, where my base location is always WH stock. And now I have created A, B, C, D. And then I have created predefined rules. Whenever certain product comes, it should pass to the sublocation using putaway strategy. So over here, you can see when I go to my putaway rules, I have defined like certain products into certain bin. So A, B, C, D, those are my bin locations. So I have provided like apple and banana should go to bin A, then mango should go to B, muskmelon should go to C, orange should go to D, and even watermelon should go to C. Okay, so these are the strategy I have already created, and I have done my purchase also. We will create a purchase, and on the receipt directly, when we see all this product will directly move to respected sublocations based on our incoming and put away strategy. So you can see clearly how it is to check the stock movement directly going to the predefined location inside our purchase receipt. Now next thing is how you can define your inventory strategy during sales. So inside sales I have already created few sales and I have also delivered, but let me create a new sale order for customer 1. So I am going to deliver muskmelon, orange, watermelon and banana to this particular customer. As soon as I confirm, it will generate a delivery with the same way like muskmelon, orange, watermelon and banana. Even if I print this particular picking advice, now we will see based on the locations which we have given. Now you can see like in this picking advice, what Odoo has done. Based on our sublocation, you can see the picker will first go to the very first location that comes as a starting point of our location master. So over here in our inventory, when you go to location master, you can see A becomes the first location, B, C, and D becomes following locations. So despite you have an order, like let me go and open our original order. So in order, in whatever indexing I have pick up like muskmelon, orange, watermelon, banana. These 4 products are there in this particular indexing 1, 2, 3, 4. But here in picking operation, you can see if you are using a barcode application, the picker will see the first item to pick is from the nearest location. That becomes the A based on our location master over here. So that's how you can strategize your entire picking based on the location you are configuring. So A, C and D respectively, you can see the picker will get when he is going to pick. So even in barcode app, he can see the same way he should go to first location A, pick the banana, then location C, pick the muskmelon and watermelon, and then go to location D, the last one to pick the orange. So this is how Odoo is already arranging the locations according to the configuration. Now let's say if I am creating any new location over here and giving the name as A1, what Odoo will do? Now based on this particular strategy, you can see A1 become the preceded location to A. And if I am selecting or creating any new location, name 1A, then what happens? So 1A will become my first nearest location. So this is automatically arranged in Odoo when you are creating any new location. So let's say I'm creating certain locations A, A1, B, B1, which is following accordingly. Now what happens if we have to pick in the same direction, then Odoo will automatically file its picking sleep based on the nearest location automatically. That is by default Odoo is designed for. Now let's see how the second operation works. We will go and create a wave transfer. So let's see how wave transfer works in the same video right away. So wave transfer, we have to enable the batch, wave and cluster transfer setting, and then you can see the batch and wave transfer over here. So wave transfer is the strategy where picker will have to pass through each sublocation, collect everything into one, and then they can sort it out in the output location. So I have enabled two step so that I can precisely use the wave. So let's see. Now I am doing another order. Let's say customer 1 and 2, it's same, and this one is the difference. So I am creating a location for customer, an order for customer 4 with this particular item list and confirm. So a new delivery has been generated. So now there are two deliveries I have. Now how to do wave? So when you go to inventory and you see two pickings are available, you can select both and then you can have add to batch. This operation can be done automatically also, like add to wave and add to batch. Over here in our operation types, when you go to picking operation, you have a choice to create automatic batch, and here in automatic batch you can automatically give the wave grouping based on location. So if this is enabled, then the picking operation can do automatic wave based on the locations over here. Now I am already done with two deliveries which are currently in the picking. So if I go in the picking, I can club both and generate a wave. So I will give a new wave transfer and assign to myself. So it will be creating, this particular all the item which I want to add into wave. So a wave picking will be generated. So now you can see the moves which are generated. Now picker will pick both the order combinedly. Okay, so pick from A, like WH stock A, apple and banana, both are lying there, then go to B, then go to C, then go to D. So this is how Odoo will automatically generate our pickings based on the wave transfer. So this is the best way you can create a wave transfer so that your picker has to do less job and pick everything in one go. So as soon as I confirm, we can see in operation, like these are the operation based on my different orders which are clubbed together, and I have to go via this. So picking, you can see 3 and 4, the item is over here, but in terms of your barcode operation, it will show everything in the based on your warehouse sublocation. So that picker will go and first go to location and pick for both the order, and then apple and banana will be picked according to the number of units. Then stock location B, he will pick mango, then muskmelon, then watermelon, and then finally go to location B and pick the orange for both the orders simultaneously. So this is how the wave picking will work in Odoo, and then you can make your operation easy with this particular wave picking operation. Hope with this video, all the consultant and end user and owners can identify and create their warehouse location strategy in such a way with the automation also of batch and wave, so that the picker can get everything in sorting, so that he can go to the nearest location or start with the nearest location first and go via all the location one after another according to our location setting. So you can give your location name according to this particular indexing, where number gets first priority and alphabet gets second priority. All over here we have seen live. So if you want to set up your warehouse for a large warehouse for your multiple items in groceries or retail or any other big item or small item, we can definitely work closely. You can contact us at techvaria.com or my YouTube or LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.